Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best meditation chair is probably one of the most underrated tools for enhancing your meditation practice. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of meditation chairs, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can transform your meditation experience. We'll cover everything from ergonomic design to material choices, helping you find the perfect chair to support your journey to inner peace and mindfulness. Number 5. Mindful Modern Folding Pro Meditation Chair. This custom-made meditation chair is specially designed for cross-legged floor sitting. It allows you to continue meditation sessions pain-free. Discover the position that suits you best. This floor seat offers you a 90 degrees of positioning movement. It provides you with proper posture with 5 different angles. This meditation seat features an invaluable folding function. It folds flat to easily store or transport in a suitcase. The high-quality metal frame increases support, while the soft Holland velvet cover provides comfort. This durable chair is made to be used over and over again. Focused on meditation and wellness, it is the perfect gift for yoga and meditation lovers. It also comes with a bonus, detachable buckwheat-filled meditation cushion. What we like? This chair offers adjustable back support, allowing you to find your perfect posture. It's also foldable and portable, making it easy to store or take with you. If you are looking for a comfortable and convenient meditation chair for home or travel, this is a great choice. What people say. I appreciate the adjustability and the quality of the materials. From the high back, to the different ways to support the body, I absolutely love this chair. These are really comfortable and well made for a long-term meditation practice. Number 4. Friends of Meditation Extra Large Floor Chair. This chair offers superior support with a sturdy backrest, promoting an ergonomic posture. It's perfect for long meditation sessions or yoga practice. This floor chair helps you maintain a straight spine, enhancing your comfort. Designed for yoga, meditation, or even working at home, this chair is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for retreats or simply relaxing at home. The portable, folding design makes it easy to store and move. This isn't just a meditation seat, it's an ergonomic chair. Whether you're at a retreat or home, it ensures optimal posture and comfort. The spacious design makes it essential for any practice. Built for long-lasting use, this chair features a durable, foldable design. It's easy to carry for indoor or outdoor sessions. The sturdy frame ensures stability and comfort in any posture. Enjoy peace of mind with a 5-year warranty on the sitting foam. It's designed for comfort and durability, making it a perfect gift. This portable chair is an excellent addition to any space, enhancing your meditation area. What we like? This chair provides superior back support and is designed for long meditation sessions. It's also durable and portable, making it easy to move around. If you need an ergonomic chair for meditation or yoga, this is a perfect option. What people say. The cushions are 100% adjustable, as is the level of recline. The butt pillow has my legs fold in a very natural, very comfortable position. The cushions are unusually firm and did not seem to deflate in volume, which is why this chair is so supportive. Number 3. Monk and Llama Meditation Floor Chair. This chair features 6 adjustable positions, allowing you to find your perfect seating angle. It provides excellent back support, ensuring you sit comfortably and maintain good posture. It also rotates 180 degrees for various floor seating preferences. Made with premium materials and extra padding, this chair offers a luxurious experience. The vegan leather makes it perfect for lounging, working, gaming, or watching movies. Its modern design adds style to any space. The meditation chair has extra thick padding in the seat area for increased comfort. The high-quality steel frame provides additional support. This chair is made with durable materials, ensuring it remains plush and comfortable for any activity. This chair is easily foldable and portable, making it convenient to take anywhere. It includes an adjustable shoulder strap for easy carrying. There's also a convenient pocket to store your keys and phone. The chair features a removable and washable cover, making it easy to keep clean. Simply toss it in the washing machine to keep it fresh. This chair is designed for an on-the-go lifestyle. What we like? This chair features 6 adjustable positions for better posture and comfort. It's made with premium materials for a luxurious experience, and it's also portable and foldable. If you like a stylish and versatile chair for meditation, gaming, or relaxation, you should consider this. What people say. Exactly what I needed for meditating. I have trouble sometimes sitting on the floor due to lower back pain, and this provided me with the perfect amount of support. Very comfortable, easy to fold up, and great for traveling. The fabric, color, and piping are Aractis. The chair's sturdy and comfortable. Sitting on floor is much easier with this chair. Number 2. Mindful Modern Meditation Chair, Slate Gray. This folding floor chair is designed for serious mindfulness practitioners. It provides soothing back support, allowing for pain-free meditation sessions. It's more than just a seat, it's a tool for deeper relaxation. Find your perfect position with its ultra-adjustable design, offering a full 90 degrees of movement. Unlike other chairs, this one lets you discover the most comfortable posture. It helps you to realize your full potential. Take your meditation practice outdoors with this chair's waterproof base. You can enjoy nature without worrying about damaging it. This allows your mind to reach a better Zen-like state. Keep your space tidy with the chair's folding function. It stores away easily until you need it again. Less mess means less stress, making it perfect for any home. This chair is the perfect gift for yoga and meditation lovers. It is focused on self-care and wellness. Give the gift of comfort and mindfulness. What we like. This chair offers a full 90 degrees of positioning movement for optimal comfort. It's also designed for outdoor use with a waterproof base, and folds flat for easy storage. If you enjoy meditating outdoors or need a chair that's easy to store, this is a great choice. What people say. Supports my back while sitting for TV and meditation. Chair feels very sturdy and supportive, yet comfy. Love the extra features like a handle on the side for carrying, and the material on the bottom which is different than the fabric top and is less likely to pick up lint or dust from the floor. It's also advertised as waterproof for outdoor use. After use, unfolding it to the flat position allows it to be slid anywhere neatly for storage. Very handy, great design. Number 1. Zen Yoga Ergonomic Chair, Dove Gray Fabric. This chair is ergonomically designed to promote good posture and provide exceptional comfort. It supports your lower back, ischium, knees, instep, and feet. The chair is designed to help ease tension and reduce stress on your hips. Whether you're practicing yoga or simply relaxing, it provides the support you need. The chair is manufactured with durable fabric over a sturdy metal frame, ensuring it will last. It's perfect for both home and office use. This chair is great to use whether you're practicing yoga or watching TV. It's a versatile seating solution designed to enhance your comfort. This chair is ergonomically correct for the human physiology. It's designed to provide you with the best possible seating experience. What we like. This chair is ergonomically designed to promote good posture and comfort. It supports your lower back, knees, and feet, helping to ease tension. If you are looking for a chair that supports your body during meditation or relaxation, you should consider this. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive. The design is beautiful and fits perfectly in my meditation space. It is well made and sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.